Hi guys! Today we're going to make your LinkedIn profile public. First, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once it opens, look at the top left side of the screen. You'll see your profile picture. Tap on your profile picture to open your profile menu. After opening your profile menu, look at the bottom left side. You'll see the Settings option. Tap on Settings to access all the account and privacy settings. Once the Settings page loads, scroll a little to find the Visibility option. Tap on it, and this is where you can control who can see your profile and its details. Inside the Visibility settings, turn on all the options to make your profile public. This includes profile visibility on search engines and letting others see your profile details. Once enabled, your LinkedIn profile will be visible to everyone. And that's it. Your LinkedIn profile is now public, making it easier for recruiters, colleagues, and connections to find you. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment below if you have any questions. See you in the next one.